Yeah, no, we'll do it from yeah, this is, wow, I did it like that once, but doesn't matter, the axle boot will be just fine. Okay, so we need something like this, nice extension, some leverage, and we need to block it right over here. So we take a screwdriver. Yep. And this one goes over here. And if we turn it loose, we do like this, it will be blocked by the screwdriver right over here. Doesn't need to be a big one, but yeah, it's okay, it will work. So Milwaukee will do the rest when they're all free. They're like 6, I think. 6 or 8. 8. All right. So be a bit difficult to film. Yeah, of course, already broke free the bolt. So on this car, it's the bolt holding and everything. So we need to put in a bolt, just enough. Come on. Yeah. Just enough, a couple of turns. Yep. Put in a second one. So all the, well, it doesn't matter, one is fine, but so the weight is on 2 bolts, doesn't matter. Yep. One would be fine, but today I like 2, so there you have it. Aha. Now the wheel is blocked, as we can see. Make sure it goes in good. Up. That's one. Up. Maybe we get the other one too. Yep. 2. Loose. Toulouse. Nice city in France. So that's 2. I'll make a mark here so I can see it. Passes me. Then continue. Yep, will be good. Put in the screwdriver again on the top or on the bottom over here. Just make sure we block it. Yep, that will be fine. Yep. Now take out the other ones. Yep, that's 3. One over here. That's 4. And so on, so on. Once again, turn it. There we have number 5. And number 6. Block it again. Yep, there we go. My light is falling from my head, but it's okay. Then again, make sure the socket is good in there, because you're really screwed if you fuck up these bolts. And number 6. Yep. Okay. Let's continue turning. And there we are. We can use the Milwaukee now and get them off. I'm gonna use some silicone grease on the cap, or no, they seem pretty good. I'm just gonna do it like this. You can put some grease on there to make sure you don't damage them. But I think it will be fine in this case. If not, I'll do it immediately. Yeah, we'll be fine. Yep, just like this. You can see the grease is kept inside by this little flange. It seems to be falling on the camera. So let's do. I'll get a rack. So it's for the drama effect. Yep. Of course we could take them out, but they're better to be taken out when the boot is a little bit better in place, like over there, so we don't strap the boots. Okay, the grease is very runny. That's a sign that the grease is done, so we'll address that with some new grease when you put them in. Okay, turn it a bit, and you see the bolt can be removed a little bit easier without damaging the boots. Then we'll have 2 other ones.